Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this problem is called 561 array partition. So given an array number of two integers, so group them into n parts, so n pairs, and such that sum of min is maximum. Okay. So if you think carefully, then this problem can be solved by divide and conquer, right? So let's say for example, so 1 4 3 2, right? The answer is 1 2 3 4, right? Because minimum is 1 2, minimum 3 4 is 3, so this is 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so if you see at least two examples, then you already guess it. You can already guess the answer. Basically, the answer is just we first sorted the array, right? And then we just take the first one and the third one and the fifth one. So we take each odd number. We take each number in the odd positions, and then we collect and then we sum of them. So that the original a be 0, and for I range, then we just take sum of the 2i, right? So basically we just take we take all the even positions. So for example, if we sort it, then it becomes 1 2 3 4, right? So we take the 1 and then we take the 3. So the answer is 4. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. If you think carefully, then you will get this answer very easy. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.